You will quit frying your turkey wings if you try this method. Guys, this is good. This is the tastiest, most delicious, perfect charcoal smoked turkey wings I've ever tasted. Hi Clara's Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you the easiest way to make the perfect smoked turkey wings. Let's go, guys. Here are my ingredients. I started by bringing out my turkey wings from the freezer. I defrosted and washed it. I also washed my fresh peppers, onions. In a clean mortar, I grinded my fresh pepper and fresh onions to make an onions and fresh pepper mix. Went ahead and marinated the turkey wings in salt and pepper and onions mix, cleaned and set aside for some hours. I poured in charcoal in my tabletop charcoal griller and set fire. Guys, behold my barbecue set of grilling tools. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Now the charcoal is heated up, and I started assembling my turkey wings, saucing it, and flipping on both sides in order to cook very well. It's time to add the plantains. I peel and put on the griller, and also turn the turkeys and even the plantain to avoid burn. A few minutes later, you can see it's brown and done. I removed it from the heat, set it on the cooling rack while I prepared for the garnishing. I washed the Utazi leaves, the tomatoes, went ahead and sliced them into tiny pieces. Onions, the cucumbers, and the fresh peppers. If this is your first time here, good to have you here. You are highly welcome. Please do well to support this channel by clicking on the subscription button. Thank you so much. To garnish, guys, I started with the tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, fresh pepper, and lastly the Utazi leaves. And thank you so very much for watching this far. I think this is the healthiest way of making perfect turkey wings at home instead of frying. That if you have this tabletop charcoal grill. Let me know if you'll be trying it, and I wish you can because it's so good. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you on my next video. Bye.